From the 20th to the 22nd of September, Command Control is celebrating its premiere here at Messe München's ICM, International Congress Center. What exactly lies behind this new platform? Behind Command Control is a training-oriented interactive summit. For 3 days, the participants can expect keynotes, panel discussions, workshops and peer-to-peer sessions, but also a great pre-event at Munich Airport's new information security hub and a super Bavarian networking event at the Oktoberfest. The significance of all areas of cybersecurity is steadily growing for internationally active companies. Digitisation, the topic we're all concerned about in business, politics, society. Successful digitisation only works with sufficient cybersecurity, and we want to establish a platform for this. Obviously, Command Control already attracts media attention before its premiere, and IT experts answer journalists' questions. So especially the topic of cybersecurity exchange is very important. We also see that companies that interact with neighbouring companies from the same sector or from adjacent sectors are at the forefront, because they know what the attackers' new approaches are and also about new ways to protect oneself. So this networking platform is very important.
Insofern ist diese Vernetzungsplattform sehr wichtig.
Command Control is intended for decision makers. More than 75 international top speakers and over 60 keynotes and panel discussions demonstrate how to prepare your business for the digital future. If there is such a platform where decision makers can connect with each other, can search for best practice opportunities, perhaps even in a confidential exchange, discuss things in private which do not often get openly discussed, and here again exchange experiences, I think this networking idea is incredibly important, and thus I wish Command Control a lot of success.
Natürlich wahnsinnig viel Erfolg dabei.